you can see that it kind of folds softly or sinks into itself. We gotta keep going because the sugar and all these things that we're gonna add slow down the aeration process, so we add those last. This angel food cake is really soft and airy, and so we're just making sure there's no lumps because that can affect the texture.
We're now folding in the flour to the egg mixture that we just made with the egg whites.
And again, being like gentle when you fold it in, just because there's a lot of air in the egg whites, and if you don't fold it in gently, it can kind of, the air bubbles can, what's the word?
I mean, you're
collapse,
just gonna,
I guess.
Yeah, you're gonna lose the softness that you want to achieve.
Right. Smoothie thing?
Yeah. And then we're gonna tap the pan on the counter so that any air bubbles will come to the top. Okay. And then now it's gonna bake in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes.